Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to create a sunburst chart in Excel 2016. This is a new chart in Excel 2016 and it's a beautiful thing. Let's understand this example now. We have the quarters mentioned over here. All right, and the months of these quarters are mentioned over there and the sales are mentioned over here. See how beautifully the sunburst chart has gone ahead and organized this data. So first it has created these quarters Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 from here, and then for each quarter it has represented these months over here and the numbers are mentioned just along. The sizes of these quarters are in relevance to the number of sales, the cumulative totals of these sales figures, and the sizes of these months are relevant to the number of sales that are in this month. So for example, 32 is a small segment, whereas the 81 for August is a bigger segment, you see. So this is how a sunburst chart looks like. How do we create one? Well, let's start. Let me tell you first how to delete one. Just click on the chart and press delete. It's gone. Now to create a chart, I would suggest select your data. All right. Go to insert and in this section, choose sunburst chart. It says use this chart type to compare values across hierarchy levels, show proportions within hierarchy levels as ring. Use it when the data is organized hierarchically and has many categories. So click over here. It automatically creates the chart for you and you can then resize it, reposition it, and change the chart title accordingly. Type anything. Sunburst chart like this. And once you click on this chart, it will open this design option from wherein you can choose various designs. See, just hovering over these, it shows how your chart would look like. So, and now whenever you change the data, the chart would change. I have gone ahead and actually used the rand between formula in this example so that whenever the numbers change, the chart would automatically update. So let's change something. I just type in is equal to and press enter. The sheet gets recalculated and chart see there's this transition that happens. See how beautifully the chart organizes itself. That's the power of the sunburst chart, visually so powerful and so very easy to make. And once you click on the chart, you can have these options. If you go to design tab to change colors, you can try different options. So this is the best actually according to me. You can change quick layout from here. See, I personally find this one the best. It shows the numbers, the legends accordingly. You can also go to format tab and format the content of this cell to your heart's delight. Amazingly amazing customization options are available over here. So this gives you the customization options. This gives you the options to customize the chart title, the legends, everything. So this is how you make a sunburst chart in Excel. See you in the next video.